I got 4 doubles today, so I'm really happy about that. And yeah, I'm about to show you some more altcoins that are going to pump heavily. I really think that this thing will show some serious 10x pumpage.
Today for the Bitcoin price with Davinci J15, we will be talking about Bitcoin and 3 surprising altcoins today, because in the charts, Bitcoin is right now entering a massive danger zone. We will be telling you exactly what we are planning here for Bitcoin in the immediate short term. Make sure you wait here until the very end of the video, because we are going to cover 3 different altcoins, and I can tell you all 3 of them, but especially the second one, will catch you by surprise. Make sure you watch this video all the way through, because we will be providing our specific trading setups, our game plan, and our price targets for these altcoins as well. So make sure you take a seat, make sure you scroll down, you smash up the like button to at least 3,000 likes. And with that being said, we really want to come to the most important question of today. Davinci J15, how are you doing today, my man?
I'm doing good. I got 4 doubles today, so I'm really happy about that. And yeah, I'm about to show you some more altcoins that are going to pump heavily, hopefully, right? No guarantees from the management, but most likely. And so I'm hoping that everybody profits and does very well. Yes. How are you doing in Thailand over there?
Dude, I am doing very, very well. Thank you so much for asking. And for all the haters out there, oh, are you really getting doubles? Well, Davinci posts all of his trades here on Twitter and in his Telegram group. We have the proof for that for every single trade. And I mean, he's getting doubles on deck. I thought I was performing well with I had a very, very good altcoin calls, actually very good altcoin trades. But Davinci, you are actually killing it here. So thank you so much for that. And even more, I am happy to have you on here today to cover the next 3 potential altcoins, which might be, exploding very soon, hopefully. And yes, everyone, before we are pulling up the charts, scroll down and leave your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below. Upvote each other's altcoins, and you will increase the likelihood of us covering your favorite altcoin in the next episode. Do it right now. So Davinci, let's pull up the charts and start with Bitcoin before we go into the altcoin section here with these specific trading setups.
All right, let's go to the 6-hour on the Bitcoin chart. And you can see that the Bollinger Band is tightening up on the 6-hour as well. 4 hours, like a little bit all over the place, but it is tight as it is. So don't be surprised if we see a breakout sometime this week. Which direction, it's difficult to say, but hey, you know what? If we can continue doing nothing for even longer than the rest of the week and going to the next week like this will bring Bitcoin into an oversold territory of epic proportions. So that would mean that Bitcoin would have to break higher. So yeah, that would be awesome if Bitcoin were to stay neutral for the rest of the week.
Exactly. I just wanted to say, let's all pray for Bitcoin going more sideways, because I mean, the Bollinger Band squeezing more, the volatility going down even more, and Bitcoin entering oversold territory. That would put huge gunpowder behind the Bitcoin price, and of course our likelihood of breaking towards the upside with a volatile one-day candle move would increase furthermore. So I wouldn't have a problem seeing Bitcoin going sideways 1 or 2 weeks more.
Yeah, awesome. Same here. So let's go on to our first coin, and this coin, CTXC. I don't know any fundamental information on this. I'm really sorry about that, but I'm just mostly a TA guy. I do a little bit of fun FA analysis here and there, but I find that if I look at the fundamental analysis and it's crap, and the TA says it's good, I tend to stay away from it, and you know my motto: don't hate it, don't date it, just trade it.
Exactly. That's why we are also even covering Bitcoin Gold, which is a horrible altcoin. But we were making profits on it. I remember that was somewhere in January or February. So yeah, don't date it, don't hate it, just trade it. That is actually a good thing. And also I wanted to put something out. One thing which is always important before we are covering an altcoin, that we need sufficient volume, and we need it to be traded on exchanges like Bittrex or like Binance and so on. And of course, all the altcoins we are covering today, they are all traded trading on Binance. They all have a sufficient volume because we don't want to run into a pump and dump scheme, or so we don't want to manipulate the prices only because our coverage. And yeah, these altcoins, they fill out all these requirements, and these altcoins are all right now showing that, yeah, something like a big trade, a big breakout is going to happen very soon. So the first one is CTCX. What are your thoughts on that?
Well, here, if we draw, like we could see that this is like almost like a rounding bottom, so that's always a good sign. And also, what we could also see is that it kept trying to break out and failing. Breakout. This fake out W went and punished every fake out or breakout here. Went and punished everybody, came back to where it took off to, and that was an indication that you should have been buying this thing once it came back to this breakout level here. And then there we go, we're off to the races, and it's not stopping. There is no turning back for this coin. It kept trying to break out and failing, breakout, failing, breakout, fail, breakout, fail, but this can't continue for very much longer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yes.
7, 8 times trying to break out. This thing, I was like, okay, yeah, I can't wait for this thing to come back any further. So I'm just buying it here, and that's exactly what I just bought it at the here. Instead of saying here, I'm going to zoom in, and I bought it actually a little bit on a FOMO at 1400 sats, but that's okay because this thing. I don't know when is I didn't want to nitpick because the little old lady, right? So what's a few hundred sats between friends, right? She can handle it because her risk tolerance is that, hey, if this thing goes to 0, I don't care. I'm just gonna let it go.
Yeah.
So she's okay with putting a small amount of money and seeing if this thing takes off. All right. Normally I don't do that, but.
Yeah, just quickly, everyone who is asking for this trading setups, maybe we can share one or two in our Telegram group. You know that our Telegram group is down, the link is down below in the pinned comment. If you click this Telegram link, you get redirected to our group. We already have more than 14,000 people in there, a big MMCrypto family, and we are sharing our trading setups there every now and then. So make sure you take advantage of that because it's for free and it will remain for free forever. Let's go into the second one. It's starting to rain here, so let's go into the second one before the monsoon comes out.
Okay, no problem. Well, again, this is another coin. I decided to do a little bit of FOMO buying, and on this coin, I'm actually in a profit, but you know, I don't count the profits right away. So it's only when I sell half on a double, of course. I got some at let's see here, 555 sats, right, and. Again, this thing looks just as beautiful as the other one, so I couldn't say no to this. Right when I saw it, didn't have as many breakout points, but you know this could come back a little bit before it breaks out. So I could get a little bit more of this coin if it decides to come back. So I will be keeping an eye on this. If it has to do another W before it actually breaks out, I'm okay with that. I'm willing to buy, a little bit more at, let's see here, around 475 sats. If it's willing to give it to me at that price, I'm willing to buy it. So let's just wait and see. But if this thing breaks out, I already have some of the coins, so I'm ready to go. It's up to you if you want to buy this thing. I'm not saying that you should. I'm just telling you what I did and what I'm going to be doing with this coin.
Yeah. Thank you very much. That is the second one. For everyone who is asking for these targets towards the upside, if this is the little old lady strategy, then the least target should be a double from here. There we are taking half of our chips from the table to have a free position in the market, and of course from there it can go another double. You never know how long these altcoin seasons last. Once they are over, all of these altcoins or most of these altcoins just go back towards 0. So we have to be prepared for that. So don't be greedy, take half on a double. And yeah, this is always our least price target here for these altcoins. So the first one, CTCX, the second one, CTSI, both of them trading on Binance as well, and on some of them Huobi. And the next one here is DLT against Bitcoin on Binance. What do you think about that specific altcoin here? Are you trading it? Are you buying it? What are you expecting for it?
Well, I was considering getting some more, right? Because it created a nice little cheeky W right here, you can see, and then it just took off. We could also see that it did come back on that W to probably to 61.8. Yeah, you could have picked up some on the 61.8. That's always a powerful rebuy zone that you want to respect. You can see that it hit the 61.8 and took off from there. If you're running to, if you're thinking, hey, you know what, I want to get some on the cheap, I think you're buying it on the cheap at this level, honestly, because look at this thing. It's seriously hated. Right. And it's been down and out in Beverly Hills for a long time whilst people are actually buying this.
Wow. Yeah, actually, this is sometimes nice when you see like, oh, wow, it is spiking. But then you are zooming out into the 2017, 2018 territories and you actually see, wow, this coin just retraced 99.5%. And well, most of these altcoins, they belong to the bottom, right? I mean, most of these altcoins don't fulfill any purpose fundamentally. But yeah, trading them against Bitcoin, we have incredible opportunities unfolding right now. And yeah, we have seen that within the last few weeks with the multiple doubles we actually got here on our channel, you on your channel, and of course also in your Telegram group. So man, thank you so much for showing that. Where are you buying in right now if you haven't bought in yet?
Well, I have bought in on this coin already. I have my selling half on a double up here. I could buy a little bit more, but I'm thinking maybe I should be a little bit of a cheapskate. I'm not sure if I did buy some more already today. I'm gonna have to take a look at my my buy orders because it doesn't say that I did on this chart. But if I want to buy some more, I think this thing is ready to break out. I think it's okay to nibble, to be a little bit of a cheapskate and nibble this back at the 38.2 and the 61.8, which is at 442 sats and 414 sats. If you don't have any, if I didn't have any already, would I be buying here? Yes, I probably would. It's in the middle of the range.
Hey everyone, and thanks for coming.
And I really think that this thing could pop really high. But you know what? I'm wanted to get a little bit more on this, so I might be buying at the 38.2 to get a little bit more oomph, because I really think when this thing goes right, if it doesn't go this year, it's going to go next year. This coin, as long as they stick around, they have development staff, and there's people buying this thing like crazy. I really think that this thing will show some serious 10x pumpage in the next big Bitcoin pump, right? When we see Bitcoin at 100K next year. So look out for this coin.
Wow, sounds amazing. Let's hope for this to happen. And yeah, thank you so much for sharing all these altcoins. It is for sure I'm sure that most of the viewers didn't look at these altcoins. I certainly didn't. So thank you so much for bringing that up. It's actually nice to see that not all altcoins have popped yet, even though we are seeing this altcoin season, if you want to call it like that, for 4 months right now. So yeah, everyone be prepared for this altcoin season to end rather sooner than later. Usually once Bitcoin just starts with its rally, then yeah, these altcoin seasons tend to stop, at least for a while. But yeah, thank you so much for that, Davinci. Congratulations for your crazy gains recently. I was surprised to hear that you got 4 doubles only today. So yeah, guys, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Leave your favorite altcoins down below. Scroll down and also smash up the like button on that video if you want to support us furthermore. And you scroll down here, you will find in our pinned comment 3 bonus links here, and you can get up to $502 completely for free on Bybit, Phemex, Outtakes by clicking these links, leaving your email address, your password to make an account, and after 0.2 Bitcoin deposit, you get these bonuses up to $502 completely for free. Even more important here is if you scroll down, you find Pandawa's wallet link, and if you click this link, you get access to Davinci J15's Telegram group. So make sure you take advantage of that, and until it will be over very soon, this offer, most probably. So make sure you scroll down and you smash this link as well. Davinci, there's one last issue here I really want to cover with you, and this is the strikes. I know you had 2 strikes, and after 3 strikes your channel would have been terminated. The second strike actually got removed finally, but there is still 1 strike left, so it is still danger territory here for your channel. So can you share your thoughts on that? Do you have any way we can support you here?
Yeah, so if you guys head over to Twitter, you can see that I just tweeted out recently that, hey, you know what? I want to take this a little bit more positive tone so YouTube can really get my channel cleaned up and back to normal, because I really can't post anything at all. Well, actually, I can't post, period, until these strikes are removed. So, or the time has lapsed, which is probably I got another like a week before the time has lapsed. But once they remove this strike, I can start posting some videos. So if you head over there and just hit the like, hit the retweet, or even hit a comment and make a comment. Hey guys at Team YouTube, help me out here, or help Davinci out so that he can start posting videos again. That'd be great. I'm going to try to do my best to make sure that those videos are not going to get any kind of like strike. I don't know what to do, but I'll try to work extra hard to make sure that there's no strike on those videos. And oh, by the way, the Pandora's Wallet subscription, if you're interested in that the sale ends this Friday for sure. There is no more sale. We're raising the prices. The reason why is because we've gotten too many sales, too many people. We need to make sure that we improve the quality of service for the few people that have purchased, and so that if you do purchase at a higher price, you will be getting a really good, solid product that everybody will enjoy. And you know what? In this altcoin season, if you want to see what I'm doing and want to see how much money I'm making and how to make that money, you're just gonna have to pay the price if you don't buy by Friday.
Yes, and the link is once again down below. There's one last thing I wanted to share, and it is very, very important for me. You all know that I have been even in Moscow with Davinci J15. I really like the Russian people. I like the Russian community, and we have so many Russian viewers. So I just thought I might as well just go out and make some interviews in Russian. So I made an interview here in Russian language on this pro blockchain channel. It's actually a huge channel. This interview got like nearly 20,000 views already. And it was a great experience here with them, and they also have an English channel. So I just wanted to give a little bit back here, give a shout out to their international English channel here. I will leave the link down below. Make sure you check it out. They are uploading here every now and then very interesting interviews. They are talking about altcoins and so on, so about DeFi and a lot of things. These are knowledgeable people. These are very nice people. So yeah, I will follow them from now on, and I will check out their future updates there. So make sure you check it out down below, and you check out their channel as well. So Davinci, thank you so much for today's episode. It was a juicy one with these 3 altcoins. Guys, let me know what you think about that. Let me know your favorite altcoin. Smash up the like button. And yes, Davinci, do you have anything to share before we wrap up today's episode?
Always play from a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. Click the subscription box right here and click the Bible tutorial, which is popping up right there. And with that being said, we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, actually already tomorrow, as always, bye-bye. Today for the Bitcoin price with Davinci J15, we will be talking about... Davinci, now you look so sad.
What?
You look so sad.
Okay, sorry. I was focused on the chart, so that's why.
No problem.